Whenever there is any special occasion, everybody pays close attention to keep their hairs, makeup and face in top condition. However, teeth, smile and dental care are ignored in this process. Nothing beats a healthy smile. Keeping your mouth healthy doesn't need to be in a core. Hi, I'm Trupti and few of my friends, we are here to share some pros and cons that everybody should follow to maintain a good dental hygiene and a sparkling smile. Do visit a dentist twice in a year. Remember, don't avoid the dentist. If you avoid the dentist now, you will have to pay it for later. Basically, oral hygiene should involve 4 steps: brushing, flossing, using mouthwashes and tongue cleaning. Now, let's have a look at few simple things which will let all of us do a good dental hygiene and a sparkling smile.
Do use a soft bristle toothbrush. These bristles are easier on gums and they make it easier to reach under the gums. Do clean your gums and your entire mouth, not just your teeth. Be sure to brush your teeth at least twice a day.
These are some brushing techniques we should follow.
After brushing, flossing also important. Flossing can help you to clean in between the teeth by reaching those areas that toothbrush cannot reach. Are the simple steps of flossing which needs to follow. Flossing is easiest and inexpensive method to maintain oral hygiene. Please floss well and keep your teeth and gums healthy.
Here we are going to use a soft mouthwash after the some time of brushing. There are lots of benefits of that, like it reduces the number of the bacteria, it can remove the debris, it can whiten our teeth, and it should increase our breathing. So do eat healthier and proper food and avoid the food that can cause the tooth decay.
Bacteria living on the tongue may contribute in bad breath, which may lead to a bad oral hygiene. In order to overcome this, we have to use a professionally designed tongue cleaner on the regular basis.
I hope everybody understood what we have to do to maintain our dental hygiene as well as a sparkling smile. Now, let's have a look at few things which will do in a wrong way that ruins our smile as well as dental hygiene.
Don't use a hard bristled toothbrush. These bristles can sometimes be painful and even cause the gum line recede. Don't take brushing session off.
Don't skip flossing. Flossing is a vital part of oral hygiene and it is helpful for dislodging food particles trapped between your teeth.
Don't ignore your diet. Eating too much acidic and sugary food, it can cause the tooth decay and other oral problems. Don't do smoking and chewing of tobacco and glue. It can cause the cancer and other problems.
Improper use of tongue cleaner may cause the gag reflex or vomiting, and the overuse of a tongue cleaner may cause damage to the taste buds.
I really hope now you people are well known with the things which we have to follow and which we have to avoid. So from now onwards, let's follow these few things and get not only a sparkling bright smile but also a healthy smile. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.